Hi, my name is Rupali Gupta and I'm a working professional. So I had the hard disk, ठीक है, जिसमें कुछ files were got corrupted. When I was opening the folder, it was showing as the folders are corrupt. So I visited this Stellar Data Recovery Center of Nehru Place. I contacted them. So when I told my problem, they told us कि first we will do the initial inspection and then they will tell us the whether the data can be recovered or not. So they have a very good facility that they can pick up the device from your home location, which the facility which I availed. And same day only they told me that yes, the data can be recovered. Though they had given me the facility to remotely access my data and to verify it, but I choose to visit the center, Nehru Place Center. This was my personal choice, and I have seen my data. Basically, the data was comprising of Excel files, Word files, videos, and photographs. It was a huge data which they have recovered up to my satisfaction level, and I'm quite satisfied with their working. And this is the second time I have taken their services. So my first experience was also very good, and this time also I am very much satisfied. Thanks.